already showing people and telling people what you want to do.
Okay.
You're not just middle lane hogging, you've moved across to positively show people why you're doing it, and now you can put an early right signal on even here, because then that shows other people around we're turning right, there's reasoning behind us being here. No issues. Much better doing that we've just done, other than being forced into the left lane because you think you should stay there for as long as you should, and then trying to dive across at the last moment. Yeah, good decision, well done. Sometimes people feel pressured to have to be in the left all the time.
They don't need to be.
When you need those other lanes for overtaking or turning right, you're totally fine to use them.
Okay.
Yeah. You will always get people as well who will be from behind and they'll be thinking, oh, look at that middle lane hogging, but they're not clever enough, honestly, to understand why some people may be like that. Yeah, people do middle lane hog. Yeah. But what we did there with that positioning and where we were going was clearly showing people what, wasn't it?
What was doing.
Yeah. Good job.